Hi everyone, it's Amanda. I'm back at Shoes of Hollywood. I know quite a few of you have been asking where I am. I was overseas for a little bit and then I was quite sick, but I'm back, I'm healthy again to do some reviews. So today I have a treat for you. It's a brand new release shoe from Pleaser. It is called the DELIGHT-663. So wait until I show you these. They're a two-tone shoe, black and red, which is always a good combo of colors. 6-inch heel, super stunning. They've got double buckles on the side, which I've already undone because it takes me a while to undo buckles and you don't want to sit here and watch me do that the whole time. So see how it goes from red at the front of the heel fading into black. It's a really gorgeous shoe, very classy. You can wear this to an event if you're going out to the Oscars or something. And then Pleaser has this gorgeous sole, so just have a look at that, how squishy it is and cushiony, and then over time it will really mold in around your feet, so to give you that extra comfort. I'm wearing a size 7 in these today, which is my normal size, so they're pretty true to size. And here's the other one, double buckle, two-tone faded from red to black. Pleaser always has really nice packaging as well. I just love the little bag that it comes with, so you can pop the shoes in it so they don't get damaged instead of just throwing them into your bag without something around them. And then there's some foam in there to separate them so they don't get scratched. There's a lot of support with these, so you're going to feel really sturdy. And again, adjustable straps to make that easy to fit on. These are a 6-inch heel, guys, the DELIGHT-663. Ooh, what have I done here? Because they're brand new, their holes are like hard to get the little thing through first time. There we go. And the other one, oh, that one was much easier. I hope you guys have all been well. Let me know what you've been up to. If you've missed me, we read all the comments and we love hearing from you guys. And always, Pleaser has the really grippy heel at the front, grippy sole at the front, so you feel really confident when you're walking on different surfaces. It's nice and thick on all of their shoes, which makes it really good. You know you're definitely getting a good product. Oh, what have I done here? I should have tried these on first. I'm sorry, guys. So yeah, once you've done this once, the threading will be much easier. Okay, so let's go for a little walk. I'm just wearing it with a black and red dress, which you could wear just black or red or either one. Even a white dress could look nice with this. And you wouldn't even know you're walking in a 6-inch heel because they've got that nice wedge at the front, and then you're strapped in around your ankles as well. And this is what they look like from the side, guys. Really nice two-tone. This just adds that little bit of extra glam to it. Makes them a little different to every other heel. And I feel like they're not too much, they're not too exaggerated, so they can definitely be worn during the day, evening, early afternoon, to an event. All right, let's take these outside. It's a beautiful sunny day in the Gold Coast. That's where I'm from, but this is Brisbane. So they just catch the lights so beautifully, as you can see. And then those grippy soles really make a difference. 6-inch heel, guys. The DELIGHT-663 from Pleaser. we really easy to walk in. I'm not having any troubles at all. Could do a little skip. Let me know what you think of these ones, guys. Alright, we're going to walk back. And make sure you hit like and subscribe on the channel so you never miss anything that comes up. If we've got a new shoe in, this is a brand new style as well, so make sure you get onto it because it will sell out and you don't want to miss out on this gorgeous style. So like and subscribe to the Shoes of Hollywood channel. Alright, let's head back inside, guys. So hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think. These are a really gorgeous shoe. The DELIGHT-663 from Pleaser in the two-tone black and red. And they're a 6-inch heel. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.